Mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, maayong adlaw, kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. May buntag, Red. Si Red minsan nasa OVP, minsan nasa House of Representatives. Kanino ka ba talaga? Doon o dito? Let me greet all our hardworking men and women in the Office of the Vice President with a happy and meaningful celebration of our 89th founding anniversary. I am delighted to join you today as we gather in thanksgiving for all the gains that the OVP has achieved to improve the lives of our people and reach our kababayan in far-flung areas. The OVP continues to serve as an institution of the people, by the people, and for the people. Let us take this time to recognize the valuable efforts of remarkable organizations and individuals who embodied selflessness in uplifting the lives of others, driving positive change in their respective communities, and serving as beacons of inspiration among their peers. Allow me to convey my sincerest gratitude and congratulations to all the awardees of the Gawad Makabansa ng tanggapan ng Pangalawang Pangulo. We recognize your exceptional commitment to make a lasting impact in your communities. The untiring efforts you have demonstrated are a testament to your perseverance to serve without reservation, bearing in mind the improved welfare of your people and your communities. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to this year's awardees of the Praise Loyalty Service Incentive Award. We honor your invaluable contributions which have strengthened our commitment to upholding a responsive and accessible public service. Thank you for your legacy of integrity and hard work. Lastly, I take this moment to wholeheartedly thank all of you in the central office, satellite offices, and extension offices of the Office of the Vice President. Today, we celebrate all the laudable acts of generosity and compassion you have shared with your kababayan and even to your colleagues in the Office of the Vice President. The continuing success of our agenda for social-civic development through the medical and burial assistance, Pansarap program, Libreng Sakay, You Can Be VP, Pagbabago, A Million Learners and Trees campaign will continue to propel our mission to serve no matter what adversity lies ahead. We press on in our mission to deliver responsive and accessible public service to the Filipino people, especially in the most underserved communities. Let the spirit of generosity and genuine public service inspire you to contribute your best for the benefit of our country and our people. There is no big or small role in our collective efforts towards building a stronger future for the Filipino citizenry. I trust you will remain dedicated and carry out your responsibilities with enthusiasm and excellence. Sama-sama nating lampasan ang anumang hamon na ating haharapin sa pagbuo ng mas matatag na sambayanan. Magsaulog kita uban ng pagpasalamat ug positibo nga paglantaw sa umaabot. Dala ang atong hiniusang pagtuo ug dedikasyon sa atong katungdanan sa pag-alagad, maningkamot kita alang sa mas maayong pagdumala ug padayong pakigbisog alang sa patas nga katilingban, isip, suporta sa atong isig katawo nga nanginahanglan. And let me invite my Colleagues in the Office of the Vice President, the satellite offices will do their ceremonial Thanksgiving for the 89th anniversary of the OVP in the areas of Aklan, Masbate, Bukidnon, Hingoog, Cebu, Lanao del Sur, Hingoog, Lingayen, and Ifugao, and NCR areas. So kung gusto niyo ng travel order, hingay lang kayo kay Norman to join the Thanksgiving activities for our 89th anniversary. Once again, a happy 89th founding anniversary to all of you. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.